Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is right circular cone. In the last online class also we were doing the same topic, right circular cone, and we did some problem in that online class. So today is the continuation class for this right circular cone. So we will do, let us work out exercise 16, page number 227 from the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So let's do this question number 5. So in the last online class we did of to question number 4 from the same exercise 16. So today we will do from question number 5. So the question number 5 is, if the volume of a right circular cone is 100 pi centimeter cube, so the volume of the right circular cone is 100 pi centimeter cube and its height is 12 centimeter. Then let us write by calculating the slant height of the cone. So what is given in the question? The volume of the right circular cone is given, that is 100 pi centimeter cube, and its height is also given, that is 12 centimeter. So let us write by calculating the slant height of the cone. You have to find out the slant height of the cone. So let us draw the figure here. So you can draw a cone, okay? So this is the cone out here. So this is a cone, right? So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 12 centimeter. So this is the radius of the base of the cone. This is the center of the base. This O is the center of the circular base, and this AO is the height. What is the height of the cone? It is 12 centimeter. And what is the volume of the right circular cone? It is 100 pi centimeter cube. And you have to find out the slant height of the cone. Slant height means this AB is the slant height of the cone. You have to find out this slant height AB. So let us find it. So the solution is, so it is given the volume of the cone. The volume of the cone is equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. So here the radius of the base of the cone is unknown. Let us assume it. Let the radius of the base of the cone be, what is it? It is R centimeter. And what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 12. So height of the cone is equal to, how much is it? It is 12 centimeter. So let us find out the volume of the cone again by using the formula. Therefore, volume of the cone. So volume of the cone, what is the formula for volume of the cone? It is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So which is equal to 1/3 pi is kept as it is. R square is R square. And what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 12. So you can cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 4 pi r square. Square centimeter, not square centimeter. Since this is the volume, it is the cubic centimeter. So this is centimeter cube. So what is the unit of volume of the cone? It is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. But by question, what is the volume of the cone? It is 100 pi centimeter cube. So you can equate these two. Okay. So therefore 4 pi r square is equal to 100 pi. Is equal to 100 pi. So here you can cancel this pi, or r square is equal to 100 divided by 4. So r square is equal to 25. Is that clear to all of you? So I think I've understood it. Or what is the value for r? R is equal to root over 25. That is, therefore r is equal to 5 centimeter. Is that understood? So this radius is 5 centimeter. So what is the radius of the base of the cone? It is 5 centimeter. So therefore, radius of the base of the cone. So radius of the base of the cone is equal to, how much is that? It is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find out the slant height of the cone. So now you know this AOB is a right angle triangle. So in this case, AB is the hypotenuse, AO is the perpendicular, and OB is the base. So in this case, you can use Pythagoras theorem. You know Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So that is, Pythagoras theorem is AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to, what is perpendicular whole square? AO square plus what is base whole square? BO whole square. Okay? Or AB square is equal to, what is AO whole square? It is 12 whole square plus what is BO whole square? It is 5 whole square. Okay? Or AB square is equal to 144 plus 5 whole square is 25. Or AB square is equal to, it is 169. Is that clear? So what is AB is equal to? So AB is equal to root over 169. So AB is equal to root over 169 is 13 centimeter. Is that clear? So what is the slant height of the cone? The slant height of the cone is equal to 13 centimeter. So this is 13 centimeter. Therefore, slant height of the cone, you can write down the answer. Slant height of the cone is equal to, this is 13 centimeter. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next question. So now we will do the next question, that is question number 6. 77. Question number 6 is 77 square meter त्रिपाल is required to make a right circular conical tent. त्रिपाल भनेको चाहिँ एउटा तारपोलिन हैन, एउटा ठुलो तारपोलिन हुन्छ. त्यो तारपोलिन चाहिँ कति चाहियो? 77 square meter त्रिपाल is required to make a right circular conical tent. त वरिपरि छोड्नु पर्यो टेन्टको. त्यो टेन्ट चाहिँ कस्तो शेपमा होस्? राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल शेपमा होस्. त कति त्रिपाल चाहियो? 77 स्क्वायर मिटर त्रिपाल इज रिक्वायर्ड. त यो चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि कर्व सर्फेस एरिया अफ द कोन or curved surface area of the conical tent. It is 77 square meter. So now, if the slant height of the tent is 7 meter, slant height is given. Slant height भनेको यस्तो छड्के height. Slant height भनेको चाहिँ छड्के height, incline height कति दिएको छ? 7 meter. Then let us calculate the base area of the tent. You have to find out the base area of the tent. So let us draw the figure out here. So this is a conical tent, right? So this is a conical tent. So now 77 square meter tripal is required to make the conical tent. That is, this is the curved surface area of the conical tent. That is 77 square meter. So the slant height of the tent is 7 meter. Slant height भनेको यस्तो छड्के height. यो छड्के height चाहिँ कति मिटर दिएको छ? 7 meter. Okay? त यो छड्के height दिएको छ 7 meter. This is A. A बाट सीधा perpendicular drop गरियो. This is O, right? This is O. AO is the vertical height, and this is the radius. This is the radius of the base of the cone. Is that clear? So now, in this case, let us assume the radius of the base of the conical tent. Let the radius of the base of the conical tent be R meter. Let the radius of the base of the conical tent be r meter. Now what is the curved surface area? So curved surface area of the tent, curved surface area of the tent is equal to 77 square meter. It is given in the question. Okay. Now what is the slant height of the tent? That is slant height of the tent is equal to 7 meter. Is that clear? Now let us write down the formula for curved surface area of the tent. Therefore, curved surface area of the tent is equal to, this is pi RL. Okay? It is pi RL. What is pi? You know that pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius r? It is r only. And what is the slant height of the tent? It is 7. So here 7 gets cancels, which is equal to 22r. What is this unit? It is square meter. So what is the curved surface area of the conical tent? It is 22r square meter. But by question it is given as 77 square meter. So we can equate these two, isn't it? That is 22r. So 22r is equal to 77. Or what is the value for r? It is 77 by 22. So you can cancel here. 11 7s are 77, 11 2s are 22. That means r is equal to 7 by 2. So what is the value for r? R is equal to 7 by 2. So what is asked in the question? You have to calculate the base area of the tent. You know that the base area is a circle. Here the base of the tent is a circle. You have to find out the area of the circular base. So therefore base area of the tent, base area of the tent is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi r square. You know that the base of the tent or the base of the conical tent is a circle. So what is the area of the circular base? You know that the formula is pi r square. So now what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. And what is r whole square? It is 7 by 2 whole square. It is 7 by 2 whole square. Right? So let us simplify it. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here 7 gets cancels. 2 11s are 22, 11 7s are 77 divided by 2. So let us divide 77 by 2. So 2 ले हामी 77 लाई divide गरौँ. So 2 3s are 6, 1 17, 2 8s are 16, 1.0. This is 2 5s are 10 cross. So what is it? 77 by 2 means 38.5. Which is equal to 38.5. This is the base area of the tent. So what is this unit? Since area is mentioned out here, so it is square meter. So the base area is 38.5 square meter. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 7. So question number 7 is, the base diameter of a right circular cone is 21 meter and height is 14 meter. So now there is a right circular cone. The base diameter is of length 21 meter and what is the height of the cone? It is 14 meter. So let us calculate the expenditure to color the curved surface at the rate of rupees 1.50 per square meter. The right circular cone मा के हुन्छ, कर्व सर्फेस एरिया हुन्छ. त्यो कर्व सर्फेस एरिया को वरिपरि कलर गर्न कति खर्च लाग्छ? यहाँ रेट दिएको छ 1 स्क्वायर मिटरमा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ रुपीस 1.50 1 स्क्वायर मिटरमा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ रुपीस 1.50 त त्यो होल कर्भ सर्फेस एरियामा कलर गर्नु कति खर्च लाग्छ त्यो निकाल्नु पर्यो त सबभन्दा पहिला हामीलाई के चाहियो कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया नै चाहियो let us find out the curved surface area of the right solar cone and you know the formula for curved surface area of the right solar cone, that is pi RL. So let us draw the figure here. Okay, so the figure is like this. This is a cone, right? So this is a cone. So what is given here? The base diameter of the right solar cone is given and the height is also given. So the height is this one. AO is the height, right? And this is the base diameter. This AO is the height. This BC is the base diameter. What is the diameter of the cone? The base diameter of the right solar cone is 21 meter. It is given as 21 meter. And what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 14 meter. Height of the cone is 14 meter. Now in this case, since you have to find out the curved surface area of the cone, so you have to find out the slant height of the cone. That means you have to get the length of AB, right? So now let us find out the length of AB now. So here, what is the height? Height of the cone. Height of the cone is equal to 14 meter, right? What is the radius of the base? Radius of the base of the cone is equal to, since this is the diameter, 21 meter is the diameter of the base of the cone, so it is divided by 2 to get the radius. To get the radius of the base of the cone, this 21 is divided by 2. That is 21 by 2 meter is the radius of the base of the cone. So I think you have understood it. So this OB or BO is 21 by 2 meter. This is 21 by 2 meter. Now let us find out the slant height AB. So this is a right angle triangle. AOB is a right angle triangle. So you know the formula. H square is equal to B square plus P square. So here what is H whole square? This is AB square, right? H whole square is AB square is equal to what is base whole square? That is 21 by 2 whole square. And what is P whole square? That is 14 whole square, right? So or now this is AB square is equal to what is 21 by 2 whole square? What is 21 into 21? So let us multiply here 21 into 21. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this is double 4, double 1. So it is double 4, double 1 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 14 whole square is 196. Or AB square is equal to, what's the LCM here now? 4 is the LCM. 4, 4, 1 plus 196 into 4. 4, 6 are 24. 4, 6 are 24, 4, 2. 4, 9 are 36 plus 2 is 38. Then 3. 4, 1s are 4 plus 1 is, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7, right? 4, 6 are 24, 4, 2. 4, 9s are 36 plus 2 is 38, 8. 3, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. Or now this is AB square is equal to, let us add them. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. Divided by 4. Or what is AB now? AB is equal to, this is square root of 125 divided by 4. So now what is the length of AB? How can you get the square root of 125? Let us get the square root of 125. That is 1225. Let us get its square root. 1225. So you have to take the number in pair while finding out the square root. The pair of 5 is 2 and the pair of 2 is 1. Okay. So let us calculate its square root. Now 12. You know that 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So it is 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 3s are 9. What is 12 minus 9? 3. Then comes 25. So here you can add these 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now it goes 5 times 5 5. You should write the same number out here. That is 5 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. So what is square root of 1225? It is 35. So this is 35. What is square root of 4? You know that it is 2. So the slant height is 35 by 2. So that is slant height. That is slant height L is equal to 35 by 2 meter. So what is the slant height of the right circular cone? It is 35 by 2 meter. So I think I have understood it. So let us find out the curved surface area of the cone. Therefore, curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi RL is equal to, what is the value for pi? You know that this is 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? What is the radius of the base of the cone? What is the radius of the base of the cone? It is 21 by 2 into, what is the slant height? Slant height is 35 by 2. So now here you can cancel 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Okay, so is equal to, let us multiply it. 11 into 21, 11 1s are 11, 1 11 2s are 22 plus 1 is 23 into 5 divided by 2. Okay, so let us multiply here. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 2. So this is the curved surface area of the cone. So what is its unit? It is square meter. So its unit is square meter. The here question ma ke bhandaisa, you have to find out the expenditure to color the curved surface area of the cone at the rate of rupees 1.50 per square meter. The curved surface area of the cone भनेको त्यो वरिपरि कोनको वरिपरि कलर गर्न कति खर्च लाग्छ, यहाँ रेट दिएको छ rupees 1.50 per square meter. That is cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 1.50. The what is the curved surface area of the cone here? It is 1155 by 2 square meter. यदि यो 1155 by 2 square meter मा चाहिँ कलरिङ गर्नु पर्यो, अब कति खर्च लाग्छ त? So cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 1.50. So what is the cost of coloring 1155 by 2 square meter? Let us find it. Okay. So let us write down here. So now cost of coloring 1 square meter. Cost of coloring 1 square meter is equal to rupees 1.50. Rupees 1.50. So therefore cost of coloring kati square meter? 1155 divided by 2, isn't it? That is 1155 divided by 2 square meter. Square meter is equal to rupees 1.50 into 1155 divided by 2. So I think you have understood it. You can cancel here. 2 1s are 2, 1 is 0 point, right? This is 1.50. This is 1.50, right? So 2 ले कति जान्छ? 1 is 0 point, 2 7s are 14, 10, 2 5s are 10. That is 0.75 is equal to rupees 0.75 into, it is 1155. So let us multiply 1155 by 0.75. Okay. So let us do the rough work out here. 1155 0.75. So let us multiply it. You have to show the rough work in the examination, right? Otherwise, if you don't show the rough work, marks will be deducted. Okay? So 5 5s are 25. 5 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27, 7, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 1s are 5. Okay? Cross. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38, 3 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. So let us check it once again. 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27, 7, 2 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 1s are 5. Okay? 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38, 3 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, 1 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay? So this is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2, 1, 8, 8, 16, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1, 6, 8. Now after decimal point there are two figures. So you have to write down decimal point before two figures from the end. That is 5 2 point. So which is equal to rupees. What is the cost of coloring the curved surface area? It is rupees 866.25. It is rupees 866 and 25 paise. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we will do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 8. The question number 8 is, the length of the base diameter of a wooden toy of conical shape is 10 centimeter. So there is a wooden toy of conical shape. Its base diameter is 10 centimeter. Okay. So next, the expenditure for polishing the curved surface of the toy at the rate of rupees 2.10 per square centimeter is rupees 429. That is, the total expenditure for coloring the curved surface area of the toy is rupees 429. So what is the rate given here? Cost of coloring 1 square centimeter. Cost of coloring 1 square centimeter is rupees 2.10. That is, if the cost is rupees 2.10, then the area, then the curved surface area is only 1 square centimeter. Okay. Now let us calculate the height of the toy. You have to find out the height of the conical toy. Also you have to find out, let us determine the quantity of the wood which is required to make the wooden toy. You have to find out the quantity of wood which is required to make the wooden toy. That is, you have to find out the volume of the wooden toy. So I think you have understood the question. So let us draw the figure out here. So this is a conical toy. So this is your conical toy. Okay. So now here the base diameter is given. So this is the base diameter. So what is the base diameter here? It is 10 centimeter. So in this case, let us calculate the height of the toy. You have to calculate the height of the toy. You have to calculate this height of the toy. So this is A, this is O, and this is your BC, right? So since the base diameter is 10 centimeter, what is the radius of the base? Radius of the base is 5 centimeter. Is that clear? Now in this case, you should find out the curved surface area of the conical toy. So how can you find it? It is given that the expenditure for polishing the curved surface area of the toy is rupees 429. That is your total expenditure. That is total expenditure in order to color the curved surface area of the conical toy is rupees 429. The rate is also given out here. So in order to color 1 square centimeter, what is the cost? It is rupees 2.10. From this given condition, you can get the curved surface area of the conical toy. So let us find it. Okay. So now here, if the cost is equal to rupees 2.10, what is the area, curved surface area? Curved surface area is equal to 1 square centimeter. So let us use the unitary method. If the cost is rupees 2.10, curved surface area is 1 square centimeter. So if the cost is rupees 429, what is the curved surface area? You have to find it. That will give you the curved surface area of the conical toy. So let us use the unitary method. If the cost is equal to rupee 1, so curved surface area. So curved surface area is 1 upon, what is it? 2.10 square centimeter. But what is the total cost given here? Rupees 429. If the cost is equal to rupees 429, so curved surface area is equal to what? It is 1 upon 2.10 into 429, which is equal to, you can write here, 429 divided by 2.10 square centimeter. So I think you have understood it. So what is the curved surface area of the conical toy? It is 429 divided by 2.10 square centimeter. So let us keep it as it is, don't simplify it. Okay. So now here the base diameter is given. What is the base diameter of the toy? Therefore, base diameter of the toy, it is given as 10 centimeter. So what is its radius? Its radius is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So I think you have understood it. So let us assume the slant height of the cone. Let the slant height of the toy be L centimeter. So again, in this case, you can find out the curved surface area of the conical toy. Therefore, curved surface area is what? It is pi RL. What is pi? Pi means 22 by 7 into, what is the radius here? It is 5 into, we don't know the slant height. So let us write here L. What is this unit? It is square centimeter. So I think you have understood it. So this is also the curved surface area of the conical toy, that is 429 divided by 2.10 square centimeter. And this is also the curved surface area of the same conical toy, that is 22 by 7 into 5 into L. So both these must be equal. You duita ke hunu paryo? Equal hunu paryo. So we can write here, therefore 22 by 7 into 5 into L. 5 into L is equal to 429 divided by 2.10. So let us simplify it now, right? So, or you can multiply this, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11 by 7 into L is equal to 429 divided by 2.10. Here 0 will be cancelled, or L is equal to, now this is multiplication sign. When this 110 divided by 7 goes to the right hand side, and since this is multiplication sign, it becomes upside down. So L is equal to 429 divided by 2.1 into 7 by 110. 110 by 7, it becomes upside down on the right hand side. So it becomes 7 by 110, right? So 7 ones are 7, 0.3. 7 3s are 21. 2 less than 0, 0.21 is there, 0.73s are 21. Or L is equal to 429 429 divided by, let us multiply it. 3 zeros are 0, 11 threes are 33, and after decimal point there is only one figure, so you have to write down decimal point before one figure from the end, that is 0 point, right? So or L is equal to 429 divided by 33. Now we have understood it. Okay, so you can cancel it by 11. 11 threes are 33. Now divide 429 by 11. 11 threes are 33. 42 minus 33 is 9. 99. 11 nines are 99. So 3 ones are 3. 3 13s are 39. That means L is equal to 13. What is the unit? Centimeter. That is L is equal to 13 centimeter. That is your slant height. So here the slant height is AB is equal to 13 centimeter. So I think you have understood it. So now you have to calculate the height of the toy. That means you have to find out the vertical height of the toy. That is, you should get the length of AO. You have to get the height AO. Okay, so let us find it. So now you know that Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in right angle triangle AOB, therefore in right angled triangle AOB, you know Pythagoras theorem. That is h square is equal to b square plus p square. Or what is h whole square? What is hypotenuse whole square? It is 13 whole square is equal to, what is base whole square? That is your 5 whole square plus p square. What is 13 whole square? 169 is equal to 5 whole square is 25 plus p square. Or this is 169 minus 25 is equal to p square. Or what is 169 minus 25? It is 144 is equal to p square. Or you can write p square is equal to 144. Or p is equal to, this is square root of 144. Or this is p is equal to 12. That is p is equal to 12. That is, what is the height of the toy? It is 12 centimeter. So this is your 12 centimeter. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So let us write here height of the toy. So therefore height of the toy is equal to, therefore height of the toy is equal to, how much is it? It is 12 centimeter. So height of the toy is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer for the first part. So I think you have understood it. So let us do the second part. Let us also determine the quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. You have to find out the quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. That means you have to find out the volume of the wooden toy. So therefore, volume of the wooden toy, volume of the wooden toy is equal to, what is the formula? Volume of the wooden toy means volume of the wooden toy with conical shape. That is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Right? So 1/3, what is pi here? 22 by 7. What is radius whole square? That is your 5 whole square into, what is the height? Height is 12. Here the vertical height is 12, right? So 3 ones are 3. This is 3 fours are 12. Which is equal to 22 by 7 into, what is 5 whole square? 25 into 4. Is that clear? Which is equal to 22 by 7 into 25 fours are 100. Which is equal to 22 into 100 is 2200 divided by 7. So I think I have understood it. So let us divide this 2200 by 7. So 7 lay 2200 लाई divide गरौँ. 7 threes are 21. 2 minus 1 is 1, 0, 7 ones are 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 0, 7 fours are 28. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So which is equal to, this is 314. And what is the fraction? Remainder is 2 divided by, what is the divisor? 7. That is 314 whole number 2 by 7. What is this unit? Cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. That is quantity of wood which is required to make the toy is equal to 314 2 by 7 cubic centimeter. So therefore you can write down the answer. Quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. Which is required, quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. To make the toy is equal to, what is the answer? It is 314 2 by 7. 314 2 by 7. Then you can write cubic centimeter. So this is the final answer. So now I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 10. So question number 10 here is, in a right circular conical tent 11 persons can stay. एउटा राइट सर्कुलर कोनिकल टेन्ट छ, टेन्ट भनेको तम्बु हैन, त्यो टेन्ट चाहिँ कस्तो शेपमा छ? राइट सर्कुलर कोन शेपमा छ अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ कति जना मान्छे अटाउनु पर्यो? 11 persons can stay. Okay, now for each person 4 meter square space in the base and 20 meter cube air are necessary. त प्रत्येक मान्छे, for each person, प्रत्येक मान्छे, एकजना पर्सनलाई 4 meter square space is needed in the base. 4 meter square space is needed in the base for one person, and for one person 20 meter cube air is necessary. For only one person 20 meter cube air is necessary. Okay, so let us determine the height of the tent. Let us determine the height of the tent put up exactly for 11 persons. त त्यहाँ त्यो कोनिकल टेन्टमा 11 जना मान्छेहरु चाहिँ अड्नु पर्छ। त्यही कारणले गर्दा त्यो कोनिकल टेन्टको हाइट चाहिँ कति हुनु पर्यो त? यो चाहिँ तिमीले निकाल्नु पर्छ. So I think you have understood the question. Okay, so this is a conical tent, right? So this is a conical tent and this is the height of the conical tent, that is AO. And you know that this is the base diameter. This is the base diameter of the conical tent. Okay, now 11 persons can stay in this conical tent. So now for each person, for one person area of the base, for one person, what should be the area of the base? For each person 4 meter square space in the base is necessary. That is, what is meant by it? For one person area of the base is equal to 4 square meter. So how many persons can stay in the conical tent? 11 persons. So therefore for 11 persons area of the base, so what is the area of the base is equal to 4 into 11 is equal to kati bhayo? 44 square meter. So what is the area of the base of the tent? It is 44 square meter. So we can write here area of the base of the tent. Area of the base of the tent is equal to, it is 44 square meter. So I think you have understood it. Okay. Now what is given in the question? Again, for each person 20 meter cube air is necessary. एकजना पर्सन को लागि 20 meter cube air is necessary. Okay, so for one person 20 meter cube air is necessary. So for 11 persons, 11 into 20 meter cube air is necessary, right? So which is equal to 11 into 20, 11 2s are 22, 0 meter cube. That means, what is the volume of the conical tent? It is 220 meter cube. Therefore, volume of the conical tent is equal to 220 meter cube. So is that understood now? So now in this case, you have to find out the height of the tent that is put up exactly for 11 persons. So what is the height of the tent? Let the radius of the base, of the tent be r meter. Then let the height of the tent, be its meter. Let the height of the tent be its meter. So now let us write down the volume of the tent. What is the formula? So volume of the tent is equal to, what is the formula? What is the volume of the tent? Volume of the tent means volume of the conical shaped tent, which is equal to, what is the formula? 1/3 pi r square h. Is that clear? This pi r square is the area of the base, right? Or volume of the tent. So volume of the tent is equal to 1/3 into, here instead of pi r square means area of the circular base. That means pi r square is the area of the base. Area of the base into h is the height of the conical tent. I think you have understood it. Or what is the volume of the tent given in the question? Volume of the conical tent is 220. So this is your 220 is equal to 1/3 into, what is the area of the base? Area of the base of the tent is 44. So you can write here 44 into h. So let us find out the value for h from here. We can solve it. Now cross multiply by 3 here. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 44h, right? Or 660 divided by 44 is equal to h. Is that understood? So you can cancel it by 11. 11 4s are 44, 11 6s are 66, 0, right? 11 4s are 44, 11 6s are 66, 0. That is h is equal to 60 by 4. That is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So what is the value for h here? It is 15. So what is the value for h? H is equal to 15. What is that h? H is the height of the tent. So therefore height of the tent, is equal to, what is the answer? It is 15. What is the unit? It is meter. What is the unit? It is what? Meter. So what is the height of the tent? It is 15 meter. So height of the tent is equal to 15 meter. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. This question is also very, very important. You can mark it, right? So you can copy it. So now this much is for today. त आज हामीले 5 वटा क्वेशन मात्र गर्यौं. यो 5 वटा क्वेशन घरमा राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु. यही रिभिजन नै तिमीको होमवर्क हो. ठीक छ? त 80 गरेको 80 अनलाइन क्लासमा गरेको जुन चाहिँ प्रब्लम थियो, दैट इज नम्बर्स 1 2 3 4. यो पनि तिमीले घरमा रिभिजन गर्नु. यो 5 वटा क्वेशन पनि तिमीले घरमा रिभिजन गर्नु. So in the next online class we will do more problems on this chapter, right circular cone. So this much is for today.